Hey, happy bonus day 11 of the live challenge workshop. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with YouTube and cartoons in the background because I'm hanging out with my 4-year-old granddaughter. We're going to talk today briefly about challenge successes, some of the things that other people have been able to do with challenges, that I've been able to do with challenges, that have helped other people to be able to do with challenges, and that you can absolutely positively expect to do as well. If I can do crazy, amazing results getting things with challenges, then I know for sure that you can do it too. Some of the challenges that I have personally done, the results I've personally gotten, are pretty amazing and pretty astounding even for me. My very best, absolute personal best ever total sales for one challenge has been $797,000 and some change. My second best has been $511,000 and some change. And those are challenges that I have personally done. Now, other people are doing millions and millions of dollars in their challenges. If you haven't heard of Kelly Roach and the live launch method, she's doing, multiple 10 millions of dollars a year in challenges. Russell Brunson has probably done, we don't know for sure, but probably multiple 10 figures of millions of dollars in challenges. Probably could have done even almost $100 million in challenges and challenge revenue. And I noticed with his new book, Traffic Secrets, that's releasing in May and is already released pre-sales of, he has created a challenge for each of his previous books. There's a .com Secrets Challenge, an Expert Secrets Challenge, and a Traffic Secrets Challenge. So what does that tell us about the One Funnel Away Challenge and the success that he's had with that in bringing people into his world? Peng Joon, the Poulins from Lady Boss Empire, Dean Graziosi credits challenges with taking him to a whole nother level in his business, and he's now working with Tony Robbins and Russell Brunson on a mastermind multi-million dollar project. And he credits that with his Millionaire Success Habits book that had what with it? A 30-day challenge. So it's not will challenges work, do challenges work, or will challenges work for you? It's how are you going to make a challenge? How are you going to create a challenge that will assuredly work for you? I have done challenges in every aspect of business and in life, health, wealth, relationships, everything across the board. I've had success challenges where the average person went from, and I'm going to look at my numbers just so I'm not making them up, the average stress level, we each self-evaluated at the beginning of the stress challenge and then after the 30-day stress challenge. The average stress level at the beginning of the challenge overall was 8.7, and then the average stress again at the end of the challenge was 4.3. That is a huge reduction in our individual as well as our collective stress level. I've done chronic pain challenges and health challenges. I did a 90-day blood pressure challenge, and my blood pressure as I was going into the challenge was like 162 over 118 or it was over 110. It was probably 120 something. I don't even know what it can be, but it was crazy bad. And my cardiologist was like, you need to go on blood pressure meds if you don't do something drastic. So I did a 90-day challenge while I was on a cruise, by the way, and on vacation for about a month. And I still got my blood pressure down to 118 over 78. And it's actually been running back to my normal low level because of the changes I made in that 90-day challenge. I've done with people customer challenges. We did how to get new customers for your business challenges, and the averages, actually the range was from how many people that got customers in the challenge. The low number was 7 new customers in the 30-day period. The high number was 12,634 people that somebody got in the challenge. And the average customer, the average person that participated in the challenge and actually did the challenge got threefold an increase in the number of customers they had coming into their business. It's not, we did a YouTube 90-day challenge. I did it with Heather Ann Havenwood, the Sexy Boss, which was really fun. We did a 90-day YouTube challenge to teach people how to get results from YouTube, how to do YouTube, tips on how to do YouTube. And part of the reason we did it is because we wanted to learn how to do things in YouTube to be more successful. I still am not doing anything with my YouTube channel. I'm kind of ashamed to say I've done nothing with my YouTube channel, but I did do a challenge with LinkedIn, and I went from about 3,000, I think it was 2,888 or some weird number, connections on LinkedIn, to today I looked, I have 22,724. And I did that in about a 6-month period. That's a huge jump. Another platform I pay no attention to is Instagram. Instagram I do nothing with. Facebook I do very little with, except to use their platform for recording videos and creating podcasts. A couple of years ago, and I challenged myself to do Facebook Lives and to create a podcast. I created my podcast in one day, primarily because I was challenged by one of my friends who was doing a webinar on how she created her podcast in a week. And I thought, well, geez, I've been thinking about doing a podcast for 6 months now. I wonder if I could really do it in a week or faster. So instead of doing her program and signing up for her course, I did it myself and I launched my podcast in one day. Since then, I am at, today was episode 2,814. So I've done 2,814 podcast episodes on a podcast that I launched in one day. Now, does it need some work? Does it need some intros and outros and calls to action and some spiffying up and some editing? Sure it does. But I've still been able to challenge myself to accomplishing something that I was putting off doing for 6 months. What's the value in doing something now or in a week that I've put off doing for 6 months? It's 6 figures value for sure. So some of the other success stories, I'm trying to think who else I've got written down here. The 365-day challenges for Facebook Live have been really, really powerful in getting my voice out and increasing my ability just to show up every day and be consistent and decide what I am and am not going to commit to. And I think that's something that each and every one of us need to do. Do I need to publish every day? No. Does anybody need to publish every day? Probably not, unless you're Gary Vee or trying to think who else publishes every day. But the people that have published every day for an extended period of time, John Lee Dumas, their podcasts are number one, right? They're number one for a reason. People watch the news every day because it's there every day at the same time every day. It's consistent. They know what to expect. They know when to expect it. They can, whether they agree with the media or not, they know when it's going to be there and where they can get a quick dose of information. The same is true of publishing. So, challenges. That's just a few. I've got a whole bunch more written here and I can't even read them. We've all know of challenges. I would challenge you to do a search of challenges in your industry. Just type the industry or the business you're in, accounting challenges, beauty challenges, health challenges, and see what pops up and what other people are doing if you're in search of an idea of what kind of a challenge to do. If you need help coming up with a challenge idea, just ask in the comments below. Tell me what type of business you have, the people that you're serving, and the result that you'd like to get for them, or any of the above information. Just tell me even just the people you're serving, and I guarantee I can help you come up with a customer getting, money getting, income generating, profitable challenge. Like less than 24 hours, we can at least come up with a topic, a viable topic, and have you up and running your own challenge in like a week or two. No problem, hands down, doable. So that's it. I'm going to be super quick and short today. I will process this quick video. If you have any questions, ask in the comments below. If you want to know about any specific type challenges and results and things that I've gotten for people that we've worked on, just ask. It's run the gamut. It's, for big corporations, we've reduced waste to the tune of 6 figures a month. They don't want me to say exactly how much or who they are because they're kind of embarrassed at the level of waste that they had in their organization. Other businesses, we have done safety challenges where we've helped to reduce their safety rate, their incidents of safety. We've done quality challenges, we've done process challenges, we've done interdepartmental competitive challenges. We've done so many cool things with challenges to increase the speed at which we get a result that the person or the company I'm working with wants, and to just increase the results that we've been able to get for people. So if you have any specific questions, hit me up in the comments below. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with day 9 of our bonuses. Day 9 of the live challenge workshop, but day 1, 2, 3, 4 of our bonuses. Don't forget to go to the group and find the treasure or the scavenger hunt clue. Make sure you're collecting all those and turning in your answers by April 1st, midnight Eastern, for a chance to win that $25,000 value grand prize. Also, be doing your homework. You still got time to go back, do days 1 through 5, and do your action item, and put that in the comments below to win prizes for that too. That's it. That's all I've got today. Go out, have an awesome day, and I challenge you to do something fun today, right? We're doing a 365-day fun challenge every day, and it's so appropriate right now. We're doing a fun challenge. And Wednesday, 4/1, I am beginning, I just decided this morning I'm going to do a get up and go challenge. So many people have been coming to me and saying, I don't know what to do. I do not know what to do. And now it's looking like it's going to be another 30 days of this. What the heck am I going to do? And so I decided I'm going to do a get up and go 30-day challenge. I don't even know where I'm going to do it yet, what page or anything I'm going to do it on. Maybe do it on I might do it on LinkedIn. Haven't done one on LinkedIn. Might do it on LinkedIn, or I might do it on my regular Facebook profile to just show support for people and show them the power of challenges and the power of focus and what they can do if they get up and go over the next 30 days. Because I think it's fun to surprise and delight ourselves. All right, catch you tomorrow. Again, questions in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll be tomorrow. Bye.